Well, there seems to be another big split in the ranks of the Aam Aadmi Party right before the elections in Delhi. One of the biggest faces of the party in Delhi, Prashant Bhushan, has refused now to be part of the campaign for the upcoming Delhi polls. The legal eagle has confirmed to Headlines today that he has been too busy to campaign for the party.
You were a vocal voice, a prominent face of the Aam Aadmi Party. We haven't seen you around. You haven't been seen. What is the reason behind that?
Yeah, I'm very busy with many other things. So therefore, I can't be everywhere. I'm there in the courts. I have many other obligations. We run an institution in Palampur. I'm just going for that meeting for that.
Will you be joining the Aam Aadmi Party activities in any day, any point of time now?
Kamaljeet Kaur Sandhu, who spoke with Prashant Bhushan, there is now joining us with more details. Kamal, what is Prashant Bhushan exactly angry about?
Well, there have been obviously differences between Prashant Bhushan and Kejriwal. And remember, even Shanti Bhushan had criticized Kejriwal, saying he doesn't have the organizational skills and the requisite skills to be a chief minister. There have been differences otherwise also, whether it is about army stand in J&K. So we've seen that sort of difference. But remember, Prashant Bhushan is not just a prominent face of the Aam Aadmi Party, but also a legal head. He's been part of many of the stings, and many of those papers which have been presented by the Aam Aadmi Party were brought to the fore by Prashant Bhushan himself. So having a prominent face missing from this entire election campaign goes to show that all is not well within the Aam Aadmi Party. First, we know that it is the Kiran Bedi and Shahzia Ilmi who left Aam Aadmi Party, and remember, Kiran Bedi was part of the India Against Corruption, and we've seen Prashant Bhushan, who was part of the Aam Aadmi Party campaign, very vociferously is inconspicuous by his actions. He's completely missing from any of those Delhi elections posters, whether we're talking about the press conferences. He's always been a very prominent voice, a prominent face. He's always been projected to the fore by the Aam Aadmi Party, by Arvind Kejriwal himself. But when this election campaign is obviously at a high, this is the time when all the legal wings, including Kejriwal and himself with other associates, would want to have somebody like Prashant Bhushan by his side. He's obviously not there. He can be attending functions here in India International Centre, but not be part of activities in the Aam Aadmi Party is a little bit surprising.
It's certainly a cause of concern for the Aam Aadmi Party. Already some of its big leaders have quit and are ready to join the BJP, and now even others like Prashant Bhushan not willing to campaign. Kamaljeet Kaur Sandhu, many thanks for getting us those details.